Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of all devices at once through the Netflix app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first head over to the Netflix app on your mobile device. Then, when you're in the app, tap on the My Netflix button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then on the next menu, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner of the page. And then tap on Account. Next, scroll all the way down until you get to Security and Privacy. Then tap on the first option, which says Manage Access and Devices. And here you can see the current device that I'm using is this Android phone. But if I want to sign out of any other device, all I need to do is just scroll down, and under each of these devices it has the option to say sign out. So just go ahead and click sign out under any of these devices that you want to sign out. And that's what it takes to sign out of all profiles at once in Netflix on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.